In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted spreadsheet from Google Sheets. If you accidentally removed an important spreadsheet and thought it was gone for good, don't worry. In many cases, deleted Google Sheets files can be recovered quickly through Google Drive, as long as they're still in the trash or bin. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get your file back and return to work without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to the web version of Google Drive. This is important because Google Sheets files are managed through Drive, and the recovery process is easiest to handle from there. Once Google Drive loads, take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. If the spreadsheet was deleted from a different account, it may not appear in the trash for the one you are currently viewing. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. In that menu, find and click Trash, which may also be labeled Bin depending on your region or account settings. This section stores files that have been deleted but not yet permanently erased. When you open it, you'll see a list of removed files that can potentially be restored. Now, carefully locate your missing spreadsheet from the file list. If there are many items in the trash, take your time and check the file names closely so you select the correct one. You are looking specifically for the spreadsheet you want to recover, since Google Sheets files are stored alongside other file types in Drive. Paying attention here helps avoid restoring the wrong item. Once you've found the spreadsheet, right-click on the file name. A menu will appear with several options from that menu. Click Restore. This sends the file out of the trash and places it back where it was before deletion. After you restore it, the spreadsheet will immediately return to its original folder location in Google Drive. That means you can go back to that folder and open the file again just like before. If you don't remember where it was stored, you can also use the search bar in Google Drive to look it up by name after restoring it. That's all it takes to recover a deleted spreadsheet from Google Sheets using Google Drive. It's a simple process, but knowing where to look can save you a lot of time and stress. Thanks for watching.